Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Today I want to show you how to get piston rings. In this video I will show you how to get piston rings. There are many people who don't know how to get piston rings. So watch this video and follow these steps. Now this is a piston ring. So a piston ring usually fits like this. Okay? Fits like this. Okay. After fitting the piston ring like this, you see, yes, on the piston has already been fitted. Now you see the mark here. You see the mark here. I don't know whether you see it or not. Let me show you. See the mark here. See this small mark here. Now the piston ring should gap like this. Okay. Then you can install the piston. If you don't see this mark here, or if the mark is very big here, then this cylinder block should not be used. Okay. Now let me show you another block. So this is another block which has been revolved and honed. Okay, let me show you this piston ring. So it's the same piston ring. You see this? See this gap? You see this gap, and compare this gap to the previous cylinder block. You see this gap? This gap is very big. There should be no big gap in between the piston rings, because if you install the piston like that or ring like that, so what will happen? this this piston and the block won't last long, and the bike will start smoking. Whether it's a bike or whether it is a car, the engine will start smoking. Okay, and there will be over usage of oil in the engine. So the ring should never be like this, because this gap is very big compared to the previous block. And also this ring should not over gap also. There should be a mark between the two ring, between the piston ring. If you over tight it, the engine when in use, it will expand the piston, and boom, the engine can knock also, because the piston will be over tight. So that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and comment. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.